Heavenly Father, today I'm not coming to you for small change. I'm coming for a reset. Reset my mind where it's been overwhelmed. Reset my heart where it's been hurt. Reset my spirit where it's been tired. God, I've been carrying things I was never meant to carry. Stress, pressure, expectations, silent battles. And today, I lay them down. Not tomorrow, not later. Right now. Father, clear the noise inside me. Every overthought, every fear, every doubt, silence it with your peace. I don't want to keep living on autopilot.